International Tech Park Bengaluru or ITPB, commonly known as ITPL, is located in Whitefield, around 18 kilometers from Bangaluru's city centre. On 17 November 2019, I took a visual tour of the park, and it was a memorable day for me as it marked my last working day here. I entered through Gate 1 and managed to capture nearly 80% of the park, including major buildings, the multi-level car parking, BMTC bus parking area, and Gates 2 and 3. Let's begin the video and take a look around. International Tech Park Bengaluru or ITPL is Bangaluru's largest and most iconic tech park, covering a vast 72 acres. Established as a joint venture between India and Singapore in 1994. ITPL remains a symbol of India's IT success story, contributing immensely to the growth of Whitefield as a major IT hub within India's Silicon Valley. Designed by RSP architects, planners and engineers from Singapore and managed by Ascendas, this park is home to some of the biggest multinational IT firms. It also offers modern amenities such as the 450,000 square foot Park Square Mall, multiple sporting arenas, and the luxurious Vivanta by Taj Hotel. ITPL is not just one building but a large complex made up of 10 major buildings: Discoverer, Innovator, Creator, Explorer, Inventor, Navigator, Voyager, Aviator, Pioneer, Maadar, Victor, and Anchor. These buildings collectively serve as a hub of innovation and technology, attracting talent and businesses from all over the world. As one of the oldest tech parks in Bengaluru, ITPL is a landmark that continues to play a key role in shaping the future of the Indian tech industry. Straight ahead, you can see gate number 2, which is open for both entry and exit. On this information board, you'll find directions to all the major buildings within the park. On my left, there used to be a large playground where various activities, functions, games, and tournaments were held. However, since 2022, this area has been repurposed into additional car parking space. On my right, we have the Explorer Building, known for its modern design and state-of-the-art facilities. Let's enter this area and get to know the names of the buildings here. To the left, you can see the Discoverer Building, which serves as a hub for various IT and multinational firms. Straight ahead, we have the Creator Building, another significant space that houses prominent IT companies. Now, as we pass by, we can see the Innovator Building, one of the key structures in ITPL, hosting several multinational corporations. Up ahead is the backside of Park Square Mall. The mall is well connected to the IT park, allowing employees easy access during both day and night. However, there's 24/7 security in place to ensure a safe environment for everyone. Straight ahead is the Vivanta by Taj, a luxury hotel offering world-class amenities and services. Known for its contemporary design and warm hospitality. To the left, you'll find the backside of the Discoverer Building, and on the right, there's a well-planned two-wheeler parking area shaded by trees. The area is beautifully landscaped, well-organized, and clearly marked, providing a convenient and pleasant space for parking. Now we are heading to the multi-level car parking, MLCP, building, which has a total of 8 floors including the rooftop. All floors are designated for employee vehicle parking. To park here or anywhere inside the park, you'll need a parking pass, and spaces are allocated on a first-come, first-served basis. Here's a quick visual of the MLCP building from the inside. Today, I only drove up to the 3rd floor to shoot this video. However, this MLCP was demolished in 2020 to make way for the ITPL Phase 2 expansion. Now, let's continue exploring the other areas. We'll head back to the entrance of the MLCP area and move forward. Inside this gate, there are 5 buildings: Voyager, Aviator, Pioneer Maadar, Victor, and Anchor. To the left is the Victor Building, a well-equipped facility catering to both IT and multinational corporations. This area also features an open space for gatherings, a volleyball ground, and a small park. I'll now enter the Voyager Building, one of the newer additions to the tech park, offering premium office spaces, and I'll take a round from the backside of this building. Straight ahead is the Aviator Building, which specializes in offering modern office spaces with advanced amenities. Now, straight ahead is the Endeavour Building, another key structure in ITPL. As we move further, to the left is the Pioneer Maadar Building, a notable structure housing several firms across various industries, located just opposite the volleyball ground and park area. Now, I'm heading towards the BMTC bus stand. On the left, there's the ITPL's office, which is just the backside of the Creator Building. In this open space, BMTC buses and cabs wait to pick up employees and transport them to various parts of the city. To the left is the ITPL power station, a 220/11 kV KPCTL substation. Straight ahead, you can see gate number 3, but I'll take a U-turn from here. That's a wrap on our tour of ITPL. I've tried to show you as much as possible, covering almost every corner of this amazing tech park. Now, as I make my exit through the main gate, also known as gate number 1, I want to take a moment to reflect on how significant this place has been, not just for the companies here, but for the entire tech industry in Bangalore. It truly stands as a symbol of India's IT success story. I hope you found the video both informative and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, I'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button and share the video with your friends who might also enjoy exploring places like this. If you are new here or haven't yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel RT Dashcam. Your subscription motivates me to create more videos like this, exploring new locations, showcasing insider views, and capturing unique content. Every bit of your support means a lot and helps me continue sharing these experiences with you. Also, if you have any thoughts, feedback or suggestions on what you'd like to see next, feel free to drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. Thank you so much for watching and spending your time with me today. Have a fantastic day and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.